Welcome back to Modaufy Garage. On this episode, I'm changing the battery on my XR6 Turbo. Changing a car battery is probably one of the easiest jobs you can do on your car, and anybody can really do it. There's only a couple of things you need to remember. First, take your negative wire, remove that, then you remove your positive. When you put your new battery in, you put your positive on first, and then you do your negative. And that's all there is to it. On the Falcon, I need a 13mm socket to undo the battery. There we go, it should pop out like that. Next, you grab your spanner and you undo the terminals. Negative off first, put it to the side, and then positive. And put that to the side. Grab your battery by the handle, whichever way you take it out. When replacing the battery, make sure you get the right battery for your vehicle and put it back in the correct position. There we go. Take off the cap, so make sure the positive where it's positive and the negative to the negative. Put it back on, tighten it up. Doesn't have to be over tight, just enough. Pop the cap back on and let's do the negative. Secure the battery back. Every car is going to be different. Give the battery a bit of a wiggle, make sure it doesn't move, and that's pretty much it. And that's how easy it is to change your battery. If you're not using your car all the time, it's handy to get just a little charger like this. So maybe once every 3 weeks, once every 4 weeks, just give it a full charge and you should see some longer life out of it. If you liked the video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more content from Modaufy Garage, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.